Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Nubia RedMagic 11R, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find the system. Then let's tap on date and time. Date and time. And here, first of all, we have to turn off all of those switchers now, to be able to actually change date and time manually. So just tap on date and change it just by swiping, tap on OK. The same situation with the time, just by swiping, tap on OK, and it will be immediately applied. Here, the time zone you can also set manually, and just tap on the region, and here we've got the full list of available regions from which we can choose. So find yours and then tap on it. I'll pick maybe this one. And it will be immediately applied. As you can see, we've got the evidence that it worked because my night light simply turned on automatically. Let me maybe turn it off. Yep. All right. Here also the time format, we can either use the 24-hour format or 12-hour format just by turning off this option. So this is the whole manual customization of date and time, and of course we can go back to all previous settings just by using those switchers. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.